So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment e-business week 10 assignment 10. So the first question is in a customer behavior model graph, no transition can be made to the entry state from any state other than the exit state. This is because the model assumes dash. So these are the option and the answer of our first question is A. The exit state to be the last state of the visit for every website user. Now the second question is maximum throughput of a computer system is same as that of the throughput of the. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, determining maximum throughput, finding the bottleneck resource that limits the performance. So the answer of our second question is C. Now the third question is average session length of a website is synonymous with. So these are the option. And now let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, mean time spent in the session. So the answer of our third question is B. Mean time spent in the website per session. Now the fourth question is future workload is a function of. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, future workload is a function of a combination of three factors, changes in customer behavior. So the answer of our fourth question is B, changes in customer behavior. Now the fifth question is what is bottleneck analysis in the context of capacity planning. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, determining maximum throughput, finding the bottleneck resource that limit the performance. So the answer of our fifth question is B. Identification of the component of a system whose capacity caps the capacity of the entire system. Now the sixth question is it is observed from the access log that on an average there are 18,000 number of requests per hour to the product search page of the website. The average time to execute a search is 48 meter per second. What is the average response time of the server? So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question sixth, at present or number of completed search request 18,000, measurement interval 3,600 second, average time to execute search equal to 48 ms and the calculation is this and the answer is 0.063. So the answer of our sixth question is B. Now the seventh question is in order to plan for the future waves of demand on an e-commerce server, dash has to be forecasted based on the business goals. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, forecasting in terms of each of the business function using the forecasted values in performance models and workload characterization models. So the answer of our seventh question is C. Now the eighth question is news recommendation engines primarily use the concept of. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, group lens personalized recommendation for Usenet news items. So the answer of our eighth question is A. Now the ninth question is various machine learning models can be used at dash phase of content based recommendation. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is C, user profile creation. Now the 10th question is the growth of a particular branch in a decision tree is curbed at a certain level if dash. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, condition for stopping partitioning, all samples for a given node belong to the same class. So the answer of our 10th question is A. All the value in the dependent variable column are the same. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.